A paper plate mask. Author James Kong. Illustrator Him-Ming Wong. My name is Kimmy. I have a friend. Her name is Jenny. This is Miss Eve. She is our teacher. Miss Eve asked, "Can you make a paper plate mask?" What can we do? Miss Eve said we need a paper plate, colored paper, colored pencils, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Take a paper plate. Step 2. Draw eyes on the paper plate. Step 3. Draw a nose on the brown paper. Step 4. Draw a mouth on the red paper. Step 5. Draw ears on the pink paper. Step 6. Draw hair on the yellow paper. Step 7. Cut out the nose. Step 8. Cut out the mouth. Step 9. Cut out the ears and the hair. Step 10. Glue the nose and the mouth on the paper plate. Step 11. Glue the ears and the hair on the paper plate. We have a mask for Miss Eve. Great job! Thank you for watching. Goodbye.